So my wife and I decided we wanted to get a renovation done. So we did what most people do, and we called in 3 contractors to give us quotes. And the first thing that was amazing to us is the wide range on price in between the 3 quotes. But we did our due diligence in that we looked at previous projects that each company had done, we called their references, and finally we decided on the middle quote. So we gave a 50% deposit, and then when the date came for them to show up when they were supposed to start the job, they didn't show up. So we ended up leaving voicemails over the period of the next 2 weeks to find out where they were, and then one day they just randomly show up, which is kind of funny. And then the guys who showed up weren't actually the guys we'd originally talked to. They were actually sub-trades of the original contractor. And the biggest thing was that they said originally it was going to take 2 weeks to get the job done. It ended up taking 2 months to get the job done. So obviously my wife was extremely upset. I was upset with it. The kids were living through this mess in our house for that whole period of time, and it really let me down as a consumer. And then at the end of the day, when we got the bill for it, instead of being what the original price was as far as what was quoted, it ended up being 3 times the original price. And that was just too much for me. So I ended up talking to a friend of mine, Kyle Breen, who is a Red Seal carpenter, and we developed Orange Construction. And it's founded on the basic principles that have made the Judy Lindsay team successful over the last 15 years. Simple principles that most people will take for granted, but unfortunately doesn't show up a lot in the construction industry. Things like showing up on time, doing what you say you're going to do, and coming in at a price that you originally quoted. And so we said, if we can just do these simple things, we can run a very successful business. The one thing that we added that's going to make a lot more people happy is that we're backing all of our work up with a lifetime guarantee on labor. So that means at any point in time, there's ever any issues, we're going to come in and fix it and make it right. So simple things that we're going to be doing is showing up on time, making sure that the job site is very clean and that the job is done within the time frame originally specified, and we're going to come in on budget. And all you have to do is just call us. You can reach us directly at 888-913-8481 or send us an email on our Contact Us page on our website at gowithorange.com. Look forward to working with you and having you for clients for life.